Today I'm going to be making 2 different kinds of cookies for a treat exchange at work. And I can't wait to show you an actual Vlogmas style. I walk my dog, make some tea, and enjoy baking some Christmas cookies. The first one I'm going to make is Gingersnap cookies. Oh yeah, also, hidden in this video is a secret word scramble. It'll pop up on the top left side, and unscramble the word and comment it down below. The first person that comments will get to pick the next video's scrambled word.
Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you.
And then I'm going to make a traditional sugar cookie, and in the next video I will decorate and package them.
Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you.
If you have a favorite holiday recipe, comment it down below for all of us to try it out this holiday season. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy Vlogmas Day 17, and I will see you tomorrow in Vlogmas Day 18.
Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you.